So what are you doing?
This is I'm repairing the deep freezer, and this process we call it flushing. So what is flushing? Flushing, if you notice, let me press here so hard. If you notice, there is a dust, a black dust coming out of the pipes. So this is the dust we don't want it in the condenser. This is the condenser, this is the compressor. So the compressor pumps air inside here and then comes out through this opening. So after we have done the flushing, we are now going to join the filter dryer here, so that we can connect this capillary. This is a small capillary. Its work is to compress the gas so that it comes to be a liquid form, and the changing from liquid to gas is the one which is going to make the deep freezer cool inside. So that we call expansion. So when this gas expands, that is when it brings coolness in the inside the fridge. So this is the process.